Teacher, why are you absent yesterday? Balay Piklam 1 minute. Teacher, what is the reason? Naga A Gadaw. Student, I was absent yesterday because I'm not feeling well. Nga klam 1 minute namar ngam da shebha. Teacher, what's wrong with you? JIUEP. Student, I have a fever. Nga don kakir sure. Teacher, did you get medicine? Pila yo dawai. Student, yes, miss. How I miss? Teachers, so today I won't take class. Te menta kasngi ngan shim class. Teachers, because we have a meeting with your parents. Namar bangi don jing yalang bat kikme kikpa jongpi. Teachers, how do you feel when your parents say that our son is so lazy?